Find or read reviews that people are talking of Jensen J1CA10FL, 10-inch single-din and double-din car stereo. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that 10.1-inch touchscreen LCD, 1024x600. The 10.1-inch LCD high-resolution adjustable touchscreen display provides you with a comfortable viewing experience, is extremely responsive and keeps all your favorite content within finger's reach. The included dash mount adapter allows for single and double DIN installation. Apple CarPlay. CarPlay is the smarter and safer in-vehicle interface to operate your iPhone, and the experience is taken to another level when featured in the J1CA10FL multimedia receiver. Simply talk to Siri or touch the receiver's display and get directions from Apple Maps, make phone calls, listen to voicemail, send and receive texts, and listen to music, all in a way that allows you to stay focused on the road. Android Auto. Android Auto was designed with safety in mind, helping you to minimize distractions and stay focused on the road. The J1CA10FL multimedia receiver combines Android Auto's intuitive voice-controlled interface, a large touchscreen and superior sound quality, making it the perfect complement for your in-car life. Built-in Bluetooth. The J1CA10FL will easily pair with the vast majority of Bluetooth devices, allowing you to make and receive all your calls hands-free with phonebook support, music streaming and ID3 tags. Jensen J1CA10FL, 10-inch single-din and double-din car stereo multimedia media receiver with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wired or wireless. The 10.1-inch LCD high-resolution adjustable touchscreen display provides you with a comfortable viewing experience, is extremely responsive and keeps all your favorite content within finger's reach. The included dash mount adapter allows for single and double DIN installation. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.